So now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So first thing guys, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, make sure you like and share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with this trend right here on our EURJPY. What can you say the trend is on your EURJPY? Now let's zoom it out on our daily time frame. You can see it right here. Our overall trend, the full bigger trend on EURJPY is what? To the upside, right? Our trend is an uptrend. We are very much in an uptrend. Now, guys, pay attention to this move. This is an impulsive move that market did give us. Here comes the pullback, which is an higher low, right? So this is also another impulsive move. This here comes the pullback phase, right? This is also another impulsive move, right? Now here comes the pullback phase right here. This is the pullback phase, right? Market has given us a pullback phase. Now, if you take a look at what market literally did right here, you see that market has eventually given us another impulsive move right here. So this is the impulsive move that market did give us, and now this is the pullback phase. So with this pullback phase, right, we should be expecting market to continue that bullish move till it is able to take out this high right here, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our EURJPY. We should be expecting the movement to the upside on our EURJPY. Now let's drop that to our 4-hour time frame. This is the multiple rejection at this zone, right? The market is giving us, right? Market has been giving us a multiple rejection right here. Now it has now pushed up. So this is a pullback. With this pullback, right, we should expect market to what? Push up one more time to take out this high, thereby giving us a new higher high. So like we said previously, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our EURJPY. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, right, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. Also, you will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.